Greetings, friends. Les Chatterley here with Sinful Saucings. Today's program brought to you by Catalyst Brewing Company. They're celebrating Sisters Saison beer. I detect citrus. Perhaps is that cloves and cinnamon, I believe. That's a beautiful beer. And today's sponsored hot sauce from Intense Hot Sauce will be the Berry Bites Back. Very nice complex flavor profile, spicy and sweet. I believe that would pair nicely with old-time favorite, perhaps some yogurt. Excellent. Oh yeah. That's a winner. Our next lovely sauce by Intense Hot Sauce is the Merlot Epice, which is French for, Epice. Oh, I know exactly what that belongs with. Smoked oysters. Let's get that all on there like that. That's great. That's going to be perfect. Yeah. Excellent. An air of la mer, if you'd like, which is French for sea, which seems to be consistent with the theme. Stay saucy, friends. That's today's episode. Thank you.